Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Zach. So, I'm gonna do a question video with all those people right there. I already did the video. I had to delete some files, so that video has been deleted. So, I'm really mad. But, I'll see you guys when I get the questions done and end the video. Bye. So, the first one is spring trap, which is also spring butt. Okay, let's set the camera up. Okay, time to set the camera up, and here we go. Hey guys, so we got some questions for you, mister. So, here's the first one. How many children do you kill? 6. That is a lot of children. Wait, no. Wait, no. No. I killed like 10. Wait a minute, no. Kill 100. Don't eat my ear. Do not. Do not eat my ear. Okay. Or eat your ear. Okay, do not eat my ear. Oh, well. Okay, what is your real name, huh? William Afton. You were the main killer. Ow, my nose. So, the last question is, how old are you? 40. Yeah, he's actually is 40. So, yeah. Bye. Okay, time to do number Bonnie. Hey guys. So, what was your real name before you oofed? Oh, I know. Up here I can remember. Charlie. I know. My name wasn't Charlie. Wow, I didn't know you can climb walls. Hey, this guy didn't know that. Oh. This thing, how did it hurt me? Because it's a plush. Bruh, how did it hurt me? So my name was Chuck. Your name was Chuck? Okay. I am God above you. God, is that you? Is that really you? Yes. Get off me. Oh, sorry about that, spring boot. Okay, now it's time for baby. Hey guys. So what was your real name before you oofed? Don't tell this, but it was Elizabeth. I can hear you, you know. How do you hear me then? How do you hear me, huh? I'm right next to you. Yeah, that's reasonable. Whoop. Okay, so how old are you? When you oofed, how old are you when you oofed in the stomach? Ow! Ow! 8. 8? She was 8. Okay, so what did you oof by? This thing in my belly. This thing in my belly. Guys, I gotta tell you a secret. I gotta tell you a secret. I'm actually 9. He doesn't know. I'm actually 9. So, let's get you out of here. It's time for a puppet. Hey guys. So, how old are you right now? 10. Sorry, I just had burgers, fries, and so I had burger and fries because I know what he eats. He had burger and fries and soda. Yes, I did. Okay, so what was her name before? Charlie. when you oofed Charlie. Whoops. Wait, I don't know his name. Why did I say that? Charlie. Okay. Who oofed you?
I know who killed me. It was William Afton. I hate that guy. I hate that guy. Sorry about that. I have a girl voice. A girl voice sometimes. Bye.
Yes, last person. Eve. Never Freddy.
Hello, guys.
So this guy is new. This guy is new to the band. He doesn't have a bow tie because I ripped it off.
Yeah, I hate this guy.
You know I hurt you.
Oh, it hurt like poo-poo.
You're not just supposed to say that on our channel.
Poo-poo, poo-poo, poo-poo. Ow, that stinks. Ow. That didn't even hurt. Ah, that didn't even hurt. Ah.
So how old are you?
60.
Wow. This guy is 60. He's really old.
Yeah.
So what was your name before? When you oofed?
Let's see. I think over here.
He did the same thing as Nightmare Bonnie.
Let's see. My name was Booth.
Your name was Pooth.
Yeah.
So who killed you? Oofed.
You was William Afton.
Okay. So guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm gonna say these were all questions from me. Now you guys, sorry about that, cause you get so mad. So bye. Have a nice day. Bye.